What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. So we are here with another mystery box, and this is an Amazon box, and it is our second Amazon box. It is our fifth mystery box?
Fifth box.
Mystery box. So I'm excited to see what we have in here, especially because I'm doing the giveaways and I want to see if we get some really good stuff that I could give away. Oh, I didn't cut that side because I wanted you to do it.
Oh, thank you. Letting me do the honors of opening one side of the box. I'm actually excited for this one.
I didn't want them to miss out on your excellent tape cutting skills. What are you doing?
I'm very thorough. Alright.
Alright, let's see what's in here. Wow. That was poorly cut.
And of course, the popcorn.
Ooh. Okay, what do we have here as first item? We have some Calvin Klein. Large. Ooh. Wait, is this for men?
Looks like it. Looks like a workout clothes.
It does.
Oh no,
there
it's
you
not.
go.
It's a fancy.
No, well.
You could either or, right?
Yeah, either or. I could definitely use this one to work out.
Go for it.
There's another one too, so there's two. We could be twinsies.
1 and 1.
1 and 1. All right, let's see what else. I swear we should have saved all of this packaging little tape. The only one that didn't come with this was the Target one, huh? The Target clothing one.
What did that come with? Oh, yeah.
It didn't come with anything.
Yeah, it didn't need it.
We should have saved all this. Could have made a little.
Okay, how about we do this? I pick one, you pick one, and then.
Fine.
You want to go first?
I did. I got the.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay.
Oh look, we got a wood magnet thing. How cool!
Oh, actually, this is really cool. They have one. My mom has one of these.
Oh, that is cool. No, that's really scary though.
No, it's not. It works. Like, so it hangs right there, and you put all the knives right there. The problem is that we already have our. But this is actually really cool.
That is so cool because if you guys saw that the Target box one, they sent us a set of knives too.
Yeah. Okay, but I don't know. I'm just trying to show off the products that come here.
You have to wiggle it.
Why? I want
For
them to.
effect.
I want them. I don't want it. I want them to read it.
Okay. All right. Item number 2. This is. Remember we had one of these for Mia?
Oh yeah, I remember this.
Do you guys have seen these? Have you guys seen these? They're little table high chairs. So you just like roll them up to the chair, to the table, and it's like a high chair for babies. This is cool. It's a table chair. Hints again.
Didn't they send you? That's what I was thinking. Last time was it like a diaper bag?
Yeah, the diaper bag, and then like the bottle cooler thingy. Oh, your turn. It's your turn.
Wow.
Get that one.
Why? Fine. Let's fit. What is this? A sleeping sound machine. Wow. Okay.
That's cool. The kids love sound machines.
This, yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. This actually might be perfect for them. This is for the perfect sleep.
Let's fit. You
might wiggle.
You were showing them the barcode. Here, guys, if you guys want to see
if you guys want to search it.
Wiggle.
Okay, go.
Don't
get this one. This is a big one.
So you don't want me to get that one?
Fine, get
There's actually, this one I think has a little less stuff, but it has really big boxes.
Oh, this one's actually really cool. This is actually really cool. Pull it out.
Okay. Ta-da!
Oh, what is that?
Let's see. Bridge. Expect more from your smart home. One app, hundreds choices, endless possibilities.
You know what? I know what this is.
Wiggle.
That's cool. Actually, we can use this. I just need to make sure that it works with Alexa. Yep, works with Alexa. Okay, this is what we need. We had to order one of these.
Oh, the smart plug thing that we
Yeah, so this is going to be the way it works is this is the center of it, and then you hook up all these like smart light bulbs to it and all that, and then you control it through Alexa.
Alright.
So we need this. Put that over there.
Okay, over here trying to dig through the box.
Don't be doing that.
Alright.
I call dibs on this.
Your turn. Wait, you said you wanted to pull this one out.
Okay, fine. Babe, I'm going to start my own podcast.
You already have a mic.
That's not for podcasts. That's for gaming. This is actually really, really, really cool.
What about me when I'm doing voiceovers?
You can do that,
I don't want
yes.
to prove the sound of my voice.
Yes, you can make your voice a whole lot deeper if you want to. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Turn around. Look at that. That's cool. Alright, put that over there. I think I don't know.
That is cool. It says broadcasting, chatting, gaming, recording. Oh, I am definitely going to put use to this. You guys are going to be seeing a ton of voiceovers now. No way!
What? What are you trying to tell me? Or what are you trying to tell us?
Do it!
Do what?
Baby.
What is that?
Baby? It's
Like
an
a Carryon?
airflow carry-on. Oh, this is so
This would have been
cool.
nice to have with Mia.
We did. We had an Ergo baby.
Not this one though, like.
Yes, we did. Not
we?
this one. We had one exactly like this one. Actually, this one looks exactly like the Ergo baby one. So we got one of these.
My turn?
Your turn, your turn. We're down to our last item. You were definitely right. They did send a ton of like more techie stuff.
Well, let's get this one out of the way just for the simple fact that it's just there.
Okay. You're gonna like that one.
I am?
Yeah.
Am I gonna call dibs?
Yeah.
I am. I call dibs.
Damn, this box is actually pretty cool.
This is a really cool box. This is actually really. We are not gifting this, okay? I am keeping this. I'm doing this right after this video.
Sorry guys, I guess that won't be part of a giveaway.
Sorry guys.
So
My back hurts. This helps.
look, there's just an empty like watch in here. Like it was
Well,
just
no, I think it might have fell out of either this or this.
There's another one?
Oh, what is that? Is
No,
that...
there's two. So it came with two watches, a Timex.
Oh.
And then that watch. What's that? Is that to check like your heart pressure?
I think.
So there was a watch like this one in here that I showed you guys right now, and then there was just this one thrown in here.
This is a heart monitor.
We could do this one as a giveaway. It's an Armtron.
Armtron?
Armtron. It's just like a regular digital watch. So I'll throw this one in for a giveaway. I'll probably do the baby stuff too because
Here, put
we
that
already
over
know
there.
how that's going
This
right
one's
now.
a heart monitor.
It's a heart. Oh yeah, well, it has a little heart symbol. Wiggle, wiggle. That's cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. It's my turn.
I know, I'm just making sure that nothing else is thrown in here. And I don't find anything else.
Okay.
Wait, I want to pull that one.
Why? I call dibs on it.
Okay, fine, I pull the last one.
Fine.
Dibs.
Ew. Dibs. I was trying to get that little baby thermos last time, remember?
Oh yeah, the yellow one.
Alright, well this is a thermos. I want to get it out of here.
Only if you... Oh, and it's black. I thought it was blue. That's
Yes, babe. You can like make me soup and you can put it in here for me.
pretty cool. Yeah,
And then when I go camping, check it out. When I go camping, I have my little soup right there. And then look, I even have like a little bowl. And then you can even pack maybe like a little
camping.
spoon.
You're gonna go camping?
Yeah, I'm gonna try more
So let me get this
outdoorsy
straight.
stuff.
You're gonna go camping.
2021.
You're gonna go camping because you have a thermos.
Yeah.
But you don't have a camping tent or a sleeping bag
Hint, hint.
or or anything else to go camping but a thermos.
Hey, this is all you need.
That's all.
This is Survival 101 right here.
Oh my god, that's like the movie. Have you guys seen that movie on Netflix with Adam Sandler? He has the cabin.
That's what I'm saying.
He
That's
has
all you
everything in
need.
it.
That is
This one's
literally
actually
all
pretty
you
cool.
need.
24 hours cold, 14 hours hot. This actually comes really in handy when you...
That's a good brand. That's the like the authentic.
This is the Thermos brand?
The Thermos brand, yes.
Alright, my
Dibs on that
turn.
one.
And...
What?
Alright, last item in the box.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, it's the last one. I told you, like, this one had a bigger boxes.
Yeah.
Wiggle, wiggle.
You know what that is?
It's a Wi-Fi range extender.
We don't need it now, but I had ordered one of these before we had our internet system set up.
Alright guys, that is the end of our box. Let us know what you guys think of this one. Definitely think this one was A really cool one.
Yeah, this is by far probably my favorite box.
Yeah, I really like this one, and I want to test out this music machine thing, sleeping sound machine. Oh, it's wooden brown.
And let's not forget
so cool.
the massager.
Oh yeah, the massager. That's actually pretty cool too.
Probably one of my favorite things from the box.
Alrighty guys, we will see you guys in our next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.
Bye guys.